I am Atul Kumar Verma. Today I will discuss about the pregnancy diagnosis. The goal of the pregnancy diagnosis is accuracy should be 100%. There should be no chance for false positive and false negative. It should be able to detect the pregnancy earliest in difference of the gestation. Age of the conceptus can be detected. Viability of the fetus, able to determine the fetal sex and should be cheapest and readily. Method of the pregnancy is managemental method, rectal examination or clinical method, laboratory method or chemical method, ultrasonography, echocardiography, radiography, and other examination include vaginal and abdominal blood. Managemental method, failure of return to stress and cessation of stress is depend upon how accurate stress is detected because it may be due to the silent stress, false positive, and stress, false positive, gestational stress, false negative. History of exposure to male not a good method for the pregnancy diagnosis. Metastasis. Rectal examination oblique clinical method in cattle still is the best method and depend on the skill of the clinician. In this, first we observe the palpation of the amniotic vesicle. The amniotic vesicle is the distant round tennis turgid small tennis ball in the cranial pole of the horn, 35 days in the parus animal and 32 days in the heifers. After 65 days flattening of the amniotic fetal membrane slip, allantochorion slip, it should not use before the 40 days and it can be used up to the 95 days infallible. Advantage is the fetal membrane slip is the differential diagnosis of the pregnancy from mucometra, pyometra, particularly after the palpation of the placentome. Placentome is the sac full of the small potato from the 3 month onward. It should absorb more than the 2, otherwise may confused with the ovaries. It does not tell about the viability of the fetus. In dead fetus, it can be felt same as in live fetus. Convex shaped placentome in the cattle and buffalo, and concave shaped placentome in the sheep and palpation of the fetus. Fetus can be palpated after the flattening of the amniotic vesicle, about 3 to 4 months, 95% accuracy. After 5 months, accuracy goes down. After 6 to 7 months, accuracy improves 80%. After 8 months, again 95% accuracy. False positive test may be observed in case due to the mummification, tumor of uterus and dorsal sac of the rumen and sometimes some supporting sign of the pregnancy along with the positive sign. First include the asymmetry of the horn may be false positive due to pyometra, hydrometra and mummification. Fixation of the cervix, unable to lift an organ from pelvic cavity by the retracting the cervix, causes the false positive due to the pyometra, hydrometra, mucometra and adhesion and ovarian tumors. Hypertrophy of the middle uterine artery, fremitus, run with the broad ligament of the uterus. It may present in case of the pyometra, mucometra, hydrometra, involuted uterus, hence confirmed by the positive sign. Presence of the CL, luteal cyst and persistent CL lead to the false positive sign. Sometimes false negative because at least 25% of the CL cannot palpated per rectal. Accuracy of the pregnancy diagnosis by the rectal examination depend on the skill of the clinician or performer, but drawback is that it can be done after the significant time period. False positive may be due to the incorrect recording of the dates of artificial and natural insemination, early pregnancy, and unable to retract the uterus, late pregnancy, and rupture of the amniotic vesicle. Laboratory method oblique chemical method first include the level of the progesterone in milk and blood. Day 20 is the optimum time that prevent the false positive result in the animal have the larger than average inter-stress interval. However, false positive result will persist in the animal have shorter than the average inter-stress interval. Milk is preferred afternoon because it has the high fat content compared to the morning. 4 to 6 nanogram ml per ml is the normal level, less than the 1 nanogram per ml at the time of the stress. 12 to 18 nanogram per ml in milk is more concentration in milk than blood because the more fat soluble. For pregnancy, higher level of the progesterone is the accuracy is 85%. 15% fall positive due to the PCL luteal cyst long stress period, and for non-pregnancy accuracy is the 100. Bovine pregnancy specific protein B or bovine pregnancy associated glycoprotein. Pregnancy associated glycoprotein identified from the 25 days of the gestation onward, measured by the radioimmunoassay or ELISA. The commercial ELISA test is a highly accurate method for the diagnosis of the early pregnancy in the dairy cow in the 28th day after the AI and may be used as an alternative method for the TRUS and pregnancy associated glycoprotein RIA test. Identification of the early pregnancy factor or early conception factor in serum and milk from as early as 3 days after AI and best at 7 to 8 days. Commercial tests still appear to be unacceptable. Estrogen sulfate. Estrogen sulfate is the quantitatively one of the major estrogens in the milk of the pregnant and lactating cow. After day 105 days, it is present in the milk of the all pregnant animal. Limited application because of the lateness of the time. Pregnancy diagnosis in the mare done by the managemental method, non-return of the stress but false positive due to the silent stress and prolonged luteal phase. Second examination is the vaginal method, include vaginal mucosa is pale pink, mucus is scant and sticky and cervix is tightly closed as external os is gradually filled with the thick mucus but false positive due to the prolonged luteal phase and pseudo pregnancy. Rectal palpation. Palpation of the conceptus is the first possible at the 17 to 21 days but 21 to 30 days uterine horn is marked at 17 to 21 days, also suggestive of the pregnancy. In mare, placentum and cotyledons are not. Laboratory method for the mare, milk and blood progesterone assay means the blood and milk sample collected 16 to 22 days after the service should have elevated progesterone concentration in the pregnant mare. For the pregnancy, it is 80% and accuracy 20% less due to the prolonged luteal phase. Pregnant mare serum gonadotropin and equine gonadotropin between the 40 to 120 days. False negative due to too early and some procedure to the low level of the PMSG. False positive due to the early embryonic death. It is a peculiar character that once endometrial cups are formed, remain functional even after the death of the embryo, so the level of the PMSG cannot tell the viability of the blood estrogen at 85%, 85 days. Uniestrogen detected by the Comboni test from 150 to 300 days. 100% accurate because produced by the functional placenta. There is no chance of the false positive It also tells the well-being of the pregnancy diagnosis in the swine done by the managemental method, that is the non-return of the stress. Clinical method include the transrectal palpation, change in the middle uterine artery, USG, progesterone level between the 16 to 24 days, but problem is the obtaining the blood. Plasma level estrogen at 20 days of the gestation. Low volume from the ear vein can be detected from the feces. 3.65 nanogram per gram feces. So at the day of the 20, plasma estrogen level detect for the pregnancy. In C, pregnancy diagnosis done by the managemental method, non-return of the stress after the 100 days of the palpation through the abdominal wall. Ultrasonography, milk plasma progesterone level elevated at the 15 to 18 days. Progesterone level may differ according to the number of the fetus. 3.1 nanogram per ml in one fetus, 5.1 nanogram ml in the twin fetus, and 9.2 nanogram per ml in triplets. Pregnancy specific protein sampling between the 18 to 25 days after the goat. Pregnancy diagnosis, managemental method, non-return to stress 22 to 26 days after the 100 days palpation through the abdominal wall. Ultrasonography, milk and plasma progesterone level elevated at the 15 to 18 days. Pregnancy specific protein sampling between the 3 to 4 weeks after the insemination. Estrogen sulfate at the 20 days. In canine, pregnancy diagnosis done by the abdominal palpation starts from the 18 days onward. Radiography, that is means 7 weeks. USG, in one peculiar character in the canine pregnancy diagnosis, progesterone cannot be used for the pregnancy diagnosis because it is the monocyclic. For this chemical method, relaxin release from the placenta can be used for the pregnancy diagnosis at the 20 to 30 days. It increase 3 times in feline pregnancy diagnosis. USG and urinary relaxin level, that is called as the bench top test. In case of the cat, the sample collected from the urine for the detection of the early pregnancy diagnosis by using the ultrasonography in mare by USG in mare at 9 to 10 days, in swine 25 days, in sheep 20 days, and to differentiate the number of the fetus at 45 to 50 days, in goat 30 days, canine 25 days, in cat 10 days sac at and 80 days embryo proper. Cattle and buffalo 18 days and sexing at 55 days. Thank you.